This is why everyone loves IKEA meatballs. Today we're making Instant Pot IKEA Swedish Meatballs. Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. We're all about tasty food made easy. Start by combining a quarter cup of breadcrumbs with a third cup of milk and set aside for 10 minutes. Then add half a pound of ground beef and half a pound of ground pork to a stand-up mixer. Then add in the breadcrumbs and milk mixture. Crack 1 egg and add it to the bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of grated onion. Add 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt and 1 teaspoon of salt. Attach the steel paddle to the stand-up mixer and run the mixer on the lowest setting for a few minutes. When everything is well blended, transfer the meat to a bowl. Scoop up a tablespoon of meat and roll it into a ball between the palm of your hands. This is a lot easier if you wet your hands every 4th or 5th meatball. Put all the meatballs on a plate, but do not stack them. When all the meatballs are rolled, it's time to brown them. Brown half of the meatballs at a time and make sure they're browned on all sides. When the last batch of meatballs are done, remove them from the pot. Then pour in 2 cups of beef broth and deglaze the pot using a spatula. Make sure all the stuck pieces are gone from the bottom of the pot. Then put in a silicone or a steel trivet and place all the meatballs on top of it. Secure the lid on the Instant Pot and close the vent. Pressure cook for 7 minutes on high pressure, normal temperature. Then quick release when done. When the pressure is released and it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Remove the trivet and the meatballs from the Instant Pot and pour in 2 tablespoons of flour. And share this video. Then whisk until all the flour is dissolved. Now pour in half a cup of labneh or thick Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Press saute on the Instant Pot and bring to a boil while you stir really well. Let it boil for a few minutes until the gravy has thickened. And there you have it, Instant Pot IKEA Swedish Meatballs. Serve these with mashed potato and a side of lingonberry. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.